it on. Hello. So weird. I'm not doing homework, so I'm randomly playing or making videos in my bathroom. Okay. Ready? I just learned this like 5 minutes ago. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lost without you, that's all you get. How does it feel to be in my bathroom?